Okay, this is Sandra making Mary Sue's birthday dinner. There's Tasha. I have no idea what she's looking for. Looking for tuna fish? There you go. That's it.
Which one?
Either one's fine. They're both.
Which one did you use first, Mum?
That one, yeah, just that one, yeah.
You sharper.
Every chef looks professional with its top, with the tongs, don't they?
I know, I like those tongs. There's Sam cooking the mushrooms. Trying not to burn down the house. And in here is, ooh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. It's a video.
That's why she's talking, Mum.
Alright. There you go. Bon appetit. Cheers. Oh my goodness, look at that food. That is to die for.
Oh yeah. If you whisk that, just turn that meat round, and then we do.
And we should. I wish we could.
Missing out on.
I know it, and I wish we could like make this picture smell like the food smells. We'll have to send this to Graham and Sheila and Sonia and Michael. All right, should we sit down and eat?
Yeah.
Okay.